Okay, the purpose of this video is kind of give a wider view of how easy it is to test a current transformer. So I have a current transformer over there. I have the output terminals of the test set connected to the secondary of the current transformer, observing polarity to X1. I have the one-turn wire I've run through the window of the CT, which acts as the secondary for the purpose of the test. That one turn, again observing polarity, is connected to the ratio in terminals of the test set. The test set has an output level control, which is an encoder, which tells the microprocessor to run the level of the variac either up or down. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on. Okay, it's downloading the heading information from the server, so you don't have to type that in. It's opening a file on the flash drive with that heading information, and then coming up with the main menu screen. In a minute, I will put the camera a little bit closer and show you the actual testing. Okay, I've now arrived at the main menu, have a better view of it here, and I will just simply select the ratio button first. It's below 10,000 to 5, 99% of them are. Select CT low range. Turn the output on. I could press automatic, but this is kind of a demo, I won't. So I'm going to turn the rotary encoder that I showed you before, turn it up, till I get, say, close to 0.1 volts on there. And you can see I have the output volts, the input volts, the angle is 0.03 degrees off, and the ratio, which is supposed to be 800 to 5, and it's about 799.96 or something like that. So that is the ratio test. Do a saturation test. I'll just turn this down, output off. Go to the menu again, and select Sat for saturation. I know this one saturates well below 200 volts, so I'll select low range. Now, a saturation test, it's advisable to always do them in automatic. It just makes it so much easier. Turn the output on, hit auto, and just relax. Go get a cup of coffee or something. See that the output voltage is ramping up, and it's taking excitation, voltage, and current data. The CT has reached the saturation point. That's why it says SAT under the amps. Now run the variac down again. It has plotted the curve. You can see that the unsaturated part is green. When it reaches the IEEE saturation point, it turns yellow. When it reaches the higher IEC saturation point, it turns red. Now, of course, I don't want to have to write all this stuff down, so I can press, like I could have with the ratio, I can press save. And right now, it's saving it to the flash drive. The little light on the flash drive is flashing. I just wait until it stops flashing. And I have the saturation data saved on the flash drive. I can just cut and paste it into my data sheet. Okay, I also have the option of sending it up to the server to put it in the database and make a data sheet. It can be recreated anytime in the future. So I just press FTP. It says uploading. And it has the file name there, so that it's on the server. When you go to the web control, that's in another video, you can show how easy it is to create a data sheet in the data and install it in the data in the database. And that is all there is to testing a current transformer. It's that easy. Thank you for watching.